Sometimes when you subtract, you don't have enough ones to subtract. So if your equation says 54 minus 25, I know I need to cross out 5 ones, but I don't have 5 ones here. So what you do is you are going to have to decompose the number 54. 54 is the number 50 plus 4. But like I said, we need to cross out 5 ones. I don't have 5 ones here. So what I'll have to do is break apart a stick of 10 here and move it here, which means the 50 becomes a 40 and the 4 becomes a 14. So when you're solving or when you're working on your independent work today, it's going to ask you to reorganize a number like 52. Typically, you would say 50 plus 2, but another way that you can show the number 52 is 40 and 12. So these are the two numbers you would have to slide into those boxes in order to make the number 52. It's kind of preparing you so you have enough ones to subtract. It's the step right before you actually start subtracting.